Thinking about selling your home, but not sure where to start? Maybe you're wondering how to get the best price, avoid costly mistakes, or just survive the process without pulling your hair out. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm walking you through the entire home selling process, step by step, so you can sell quickly, smoothly, and for top dollar. And hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Erica McClain, a full time realtor with over 25 years of experience helping sellers right here in Elmwood Park, the Dunning area, Edison Park, Jefferson Park, basically the whole Northwest side. So if you're thinking about selling, hit that subscribe button because I break down everything you need to know. Step one, find out what your home is worth. But don't trust Zillow. Those online estimates can be off by tens of thousands of dollars. Instead, you need a local market analysis based on real sales in your area. If you want an accurate number, I offer a free home value report. Just click the link in the description. Drop a comment below if you've checked your home's value recently. Were you surprised by the number? Next, let's talk about getting your home market ready. You don't need a full remodel, but small fixes make a huge impact. Declutter, deep clean, and focus on curb appeal because buyers make snap judgments in seconds. And pro tip, neutral colors and bright lighting make rooms look bigger and more inviting. Not sure where to start? I offer a free pre-listing walkthrough where I point out easy fixes that can help boost your sales price. Just reach out. Pricing your home right is key. Too high, it sits on the market. Too low, you leave money on the table. We look at recent sales, buyer demand, and competition to find the perfect sweet spot where buyers see value, but you still get top dollar. Want to know what homes like yours are selling for? Just message me. I'll send over recent sales. This is where most listings fail. A basic for sale sign and a blurry iPhone photo just won't cut it. I use professional photography, digital marketing to put your home in front of thousands of buyers because the more people that see it, the better the offers you're going to get. Curious how I market homes differently? Check out my Instagram or my Facebook for real examples. Once buyers start coming in, be ready for showings. I prefer all of my listings to be shown by appointment. I wouldn't do an open house on my own property. Open houses, in my opinion, and statistics show less than 1% of a chance that a house is going to sell from an open house. We want serious, qualified buyers. All you need to do is keep your home tidy, and I'll coordinate all the schedulings so it's stress-free for you. Then, when offers come in, we review everything, price, terms, financing, so you can choose the best deal, not just the highest number. And here's a little secret. Cash isn't always king. A well-qualified buyer with a solid loan can be better than a risky all-cash offer. I break it all down for you so you make the right. Once you've accepted an offer, we move into the closing phase. Inspections, appraisals, paperwork. It's a lot, but don't worry. I handle all of the details and keep you updated at every step so you're never left in the dark. Then, once everything is signed and the funds hit your account, it's sold. Pop the champagne, you did it. Selling your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right strategy and the right agent, hint me, you can sell faster and for top dollar. If you're thinking about selling, let's chat. I offer a free, no pressure consultation. Just click on the link below. Give me a phone call, send me a text, carrier pigeon. I don't care. Just get in contact with me. And don't forget to subscribe for more home selling tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, I hope.